Hey guys, I wanted to do a quick video on Reddit and Quora. I'm going to combine it into one video because there's no reason to make it into separate videos. But this is just a strategy that we're going to talk a little bit about in 2025 in regards to Google, where people are still doing the majority of their searching for services for the time being. So we put cheap oil change in the search bar up here, pretty common search, one of the top ones besides oil change near me. You obviously have your two at the top, sponsored posts. Jiffy Lube has a dedicated website to discounts. And then this is a local place in the Washington, D.C. area. Then, of course, you have the map uh, widget, which has what is the most organic way of finding search results. Obviously, I am uh, in a new area where there are no Costa oils nearby. Otherwise, this would definitely be our Hanover store. But this is the rankings based on location plus um, all the other factors that go into making the top three in the map widget. If we go down, and some of you have probably experienced this already, Reddit is often a top search result because of the abundance of content that it has. But not only that, in the people also ask widget, a lot of the times the answers come from Reddit. So in this particular instance, uh, if the can you go 2 years without changing synthetic oil, the answer came from Reddit. And so this kind of just highlights the importance, regardless of their result. And I'll talk about Quora in a bit. It's really just the same thing, just a different website. Regardless of what the results are on the front page, if people do use these widgets, the people also ask widget, which obviously people do, otherwise Google wouldn't have it so high up in the results, then it is a worthwhile endeavor to get onto these pages. And often you can be the answer. And you can do some lead gen via the Google people also ask widget. So right here, I'm on the Knoxville Reddit thread and the Knoxville subreddit. You gotta learn the terminology for these kind of things. But someone did a post specifically about us. It's not always going to be the case that it's going to be specifically about uh, your store, but in this particular instance, it is. It could be anything from, it's very similar. These subreddits are very similar to Facebook community groups in the sense that people go here for either validation or recommendation. So if someone said something along the lines of "Where's the best place to get an oil change in Knoxville?" It behooves us to reply to those so that the answer can be potentially the top answer when it comes to this. So, um, for instance, if someone were to say, "Where's the best oil change on Chapman Highway?" that could very easily become a people also ask widget question. And if you answer that Reddit, if you create a Reddit account and answer that, in this particular instance, this post was 14 days ago, and a bunch of people already said really nice things about us. Awesome place, awesome people, definitely a great place, needs support from the community, da 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 da. But we put in our 2 cents and said, thanks everyone, happy to answer any questions. So the same thing really goes for Quora. If you type in oil change, you just want to make sure it's not as community based, and this is something we'll do in the corporate side of things as well. We'll make sure that someone is answering these questions. What happens if you don't change the oil in your car or accidentally put 530? It's a chance to become a subject expert in our space, and that's kind of what's needed in these instances. And it's just another way of promoting the brand and also building the brand equity online. So um, Quora, much less than Reddit. Reddit is a huge opportunity for us in 2025, and I think that all of our franchisees should create a Reddit account and join the subreddit for their local community, whether it's Knoxville, whether it's specific to a very specific region, whether it's a city, whether it's a metropolitan area. It could be 47 people are online at any given time, 87,000 members. It's not nothing. Uh, these are significant population sizes and user bases. So that's really it for this video. Probably the last video of 2024. Hope everyone has a Merry Christmas and looking forward to everything we're gonna do next year. Thanks. Bye.